What's up guys, it's Jordan with the Scales Family Reptiles, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up your Flexwatt heat tape. And please, 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 if you can hit that like button, subscribe, and comment if you can. Thank you. So, let's gonna see what we got here. We have extension cords, lots of them. We have our rivets. We have our connectors. Little rivet tool. Gotta have scissors. Of course, you gotta have your Flexwatt, and we have 12-inch here because we're doing it for our adult female cages. We use this tinfoil tape to secure the Flexwatt down to the rack. Electrical tape. And our Vivarium Electronics VE200 thermostat, which just got in. So obviously you want to measure out and see how long you want your strips of Flexwatt. And I actually just took a measurement with this. So here we go. So I'm going to cut it right here. There's our first piece. So this is our first piece right here. All right, so normally I use a hole punch to hole punch these, but I found that hole punches are kind of big for the rivets. So what I do is I get a drill bit and I drill out a spot perfectly. For each one. So the next thing you want to do is take your electrical cable and cut it. Because these guys are going to go right in here. And these guys are going to go inside here. So what you want to do is cut your cable. And you can use wire strippers if you want, but mine are downstairs. So I'm just gonna rock the scissors for now.
All right, spin these bad boys together. And I like to do, put that in there. Got a little bit of overlapping, so I'm gonna trim those down a bit.
So, if you notice, there's that little opening right there. You want to make sure you stick this, and just go under the metal, right in there. And through. That did is it locked that right in there. Then you do the other side, and once you have both of them done, you want to make sure you take your electrical tape and you want to cover up any exposed metal, that way nobody gets shocked and there's no fire hazards. All right, so once you have it on here, do not forget you gotta put it on here too, this end. If you don't put it on this end, it's still a fire hazard. All right, so once you have all four taped, I have my stuff pre-cut, and what I would do is inside of the rack, I would take this and throw it right there. Just boop. And I like to do it this way because the rack slides over it this way. If I put them right here, sometimes after a while this kind of gets rubbed over and over again and kind of gets caught. So I always throw it this way, and I'll just do it at the very tip, and this stuff sticks really well. And also you can pull it up and re-stick it if you need to, it stays sticky. I also throw one right across the back, right here. After that's in there, and I'm just gonna show you for instance, I created this thing. What this does is I have it sitting right on here, on one of them. I have rows and rows and rows, but right on my middle rack. This thing basically is the same material as my tubs, and it's the same height right there that my tubs sit above the Flexwatt. So when I put one piece right here, what it does is I take my probe, and my probe gets taped with this tape, a piece right there to hold it right there. So what it's actually doing is the thermostat is basically saying how much temperature is actually in my tub, not the temperature of this. It's the actual temperature of the same material that my snakes are in. That way we get the most accurate readings ever. I do check it after I put one of these new ones on, and I check it with this, and I use my little heat gun, and I check the inside of the tub, and I do that for maybe an hour or two, and kind of make sure it goes up and down, and it's perfect. Make sure it's right on the money. After that, what you'd want to do is you'd have this taped to this, and this on your heat tape, and then this guy plugs straight into your thermostat. And you're ready to rock. All right, guys, thank you for watching. That's how I do my Flexwatt. It's not the way everyone does it, but it's the way I do it, and it works great for me. And if you have any more questions or anything like that, go ahead and leave it in the comments or PM me, whatever. Thank you. And I just want to ask you guys if you could please subscribe, comment, and hit that like button. It would be super awesome so we can get everyone to watch this video so they can learn how to do it. Thank you so much, guys. Have an amazing night.